Hi everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. I'm going to do my November dashboard. I've been a bit behind in my planning schedule, so I'm going to show you my dashboard, and I'm actually going to try something different. So I got this from Sadie's sticker shop and House of Stickers, but this is from Sadie's Stickers. And this is the kit I'm going to use on my dashboard. So it's a little bit fall-ish, but I think it's beautiful and I wanted to use it. So I'm going to use it in my dashboard. You get these bows, which I'm not going to use, probably. And then the washi tape and the days. And then these. And then the half boxes are going to go in. And because these aren't enough to fill in a week in my Happy Planner, I thought I'd use them in my dashboard. And I'm going to use these. These are definitely going to go on. Look how pretty they are. Really, really pretty. So these are going to go in my planner. So I'm thinking of putting like the boxes and then using like the little half boxes, because I find it very difficult to put things in. I've got a few birthdays and things in November, but apart from that, I don't want to put the focus and all those kinds of things. So, yeah, let's see. So, get your coffee, relax, and let's enjoy this. And I'm also going to show you two kits after I film this plan with me. I'm going to show you two kits from a shop, Happy Paper what's it called? Happy Sherpa paperie. I have a discount code. I had a little brain freeze, and have a discount code, Joanna16, for that shop on Etsy. So, Happy Sherpa Papery. And I'm going to show you what I got from them. But after I film the planner with video. So, plan with me video. Oh, man. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Okay, so what I've done here is I've put the washi tape on the bottom and then the boxes at the top. I don't mind that there's a little bit of white space. I'm going to cover this white space, but I need to see how. Okay, so I've covered up the side. I think it's starting to look pretty. And then the washi tape, there's a little bit there and then the rest of it. And then I've got these little boxes where I'm going to write stuff. Now I'm going to put some more icons, and then I'm going to put some more washi and stuff and cover this whole thing. Okay, so birthdays are going to be here, and then I just wanted that. Put a little bit more washi tape here. And then I've got all these little boxes. I think I'm going to add a few here. I'll see how I'm going to go. So, first of all, tell me if you like this type of filming. I'm sorry I'm going back and forth, but I'm holding a handheld tripod. So, I put these little lines because I had extra, hang on, where are they? These little lines, because I had extra lines and I didn't know what to do. I had an extra white space, so I thought that this sticker would be better to go sideways, so that's fine. And then I put these two boxes here. Birthdays are going to go in here. I've put one box there. Then I have another box, which is probably going to go here. And then I'm going to put little other boxes there. And so far, not bad, guys. Not bad, if I may say so. I feel so clever with what I did. Oh, my God. I'm not, I'm just joking. But look. So I had a bit of, so it's not covered up there. And I thought I'd put one of these corner things. And I'm going to put one down here as well. And one down here. Let's see how that goes. Then I'm going to show you, actually I'll show you now. I think it looks pretty. I'm colorblind, so I don't know if the colors match. I'm guessing they do match though, because this was a kit. So fingers crossed they do match. But yeah, let's see. Okay, so I've covered up the bottom, so there's no white. What do you guys think? I don't think it looks that bad, so let me just show you close up. So at the top I used washi tape, and then I covered the notes and stuff with a little bit. There's a little bit of white space. That's okay. Doesn't matter. Then I put these shiny things. This kit is beautiful. That's why I wanted to use it before. And because it has pumpkins and stuff, I didn't want to waste it. So these little boxes I'm going to fill in with I don't know what. These are going to be birthdays, maybe just some books I'm reading and shows I'm watching and things I want to remember. I might add some more of the things that I haven't used, but we'll see. And I'm going to add these little things. What are these called? Edge thingamajigs. I'm going to add them to the bottom. So there you have it, edge thingamajig number 1, edge thingamajig number 2. Now I'm going to go in with pen. I'm going to show you the kits I got from Happy Sherpa Paperie, and then I'm going to sign off. So I'm using this brush pen. I had another one, I'm not that happy with it, but anyway, I got it off Amazon. It's all right. So I put in my birthdays, my dad, Lee, Deirdre, and then we have on my bookshelf, I'm reading Myths at the moment, a book, Cecilia, it's really nice, it's really funny, I don't remember the title, and this book. And then what I want to watch, The Crown on the 15th, and then what can I put in these 2 boxes? I'll have a think, I'll let you know. Okay, so this is my spread. I wrote down the books I've been reading. I just wrote relax and pamper yourself. I wrote down the date of the lockdown, so I remember 2020. Amazing year. And yeah, so what do you think of my spread? Do you like, there's lots of things that I haven't used. I'll show you. So these. And then these, but I think I can use these on other spreads as well, so that's fine. But I used everything. I didn't use these days and things, but they're fine. I can use them for other things, so that's all right. But I did use a lot of my spread, so I'm really happy with it. So what do you think? Did the kit work here? I think that's so random. I haven't seen anyone use a kit in their November dashboard, but I did. So yeah, now let me show you my 2 kits from Happy Sherpa Paperie. So they come in this beautiful card, and I got this kit and this one, which is called Snowflake. So I'm going to show you. So I got the Snowflake one and I got the warm and cozy one. So I'll just quickly show you that. I'm going to do a proper I already have filmed a Etsy Kits store haul, which will be coming up next week. So if you want to watch it, just subscribe to my channel if you like my style, like shiny, sparkly, floral, girly kind of videos. But I also do beauty and plus size and hauls, and B&M's my favorite store. So hang on, let me just I've gone off now on a little, you know, not making sense. I'll just show you the 2 kits quickly. So these are very big kits. So you get this one. This is the warm and cozy. It comes with this. You get this. Icons, really, really pretty. I think she's told me that she draws some of these. I don't know if she's drawn these, but she does draw some of these. They're hand-drawn. And then these little... There are still some warm and cozy pumpkins, and I'm going to use this in one of my upcoming Plan With Me videos. So again, dates. I'm showing it upside down. And then these here. I'm colorblind. I don't know what color these are, but they look pretty. And then this card, which is a journaling card, I guess. It's really, hang on, it's really good. And then you get these little boxes and these. So that's that. And then I'm going to show you the Snowflakes kit. So here are the snowflake icons. Really nice. Then you get these boxes. Then this is the washi tape. Really pretty washi tape. Look at the flower. So nice. I just love florals. Then this with things on it. This with things on it. Then we have Hello Weekend. And you get these little boxes. And this one. So, if you go to Happy Sherpa Paperie, you can use my Joanna 16 coupon code. I've bought these with my own money. I just have a coupon. That's the only store I have a coupon code, actually. I don't have any other ones. No one knows I exist. But if you want to go to her shop, you can shop and you get 16% off. So, yeah. And the stickers I used in my plan with me were Sadie stickers from House of Stickers. I'll try to link both shops in my description box. So thanks so much for watching. Let's go back to my spread, my dashboard, November Bad dashboard. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you will consider subscribing to my channel or give my video a thumbs up so I can pop up in your YouTube video suggestions. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe. Yassas. I'm Greek, speaking Greek. Have a good November. See you soon. Bye.